The offense gifted with great starting field position for this drive. Movement here from the tight end. Grinding away on the ground. The gain is 2 yards, so it's 2nd and 8.
You know, in an era that we live in right now, everybody wants to spread the field around, try to create space, try to create one-on-one matchups, and the defense has countered over the years by trying to play out wide. But here's a great example of the defense.
Touchdown, Georgia. Still no answer. And there's the handoff. There's a stiff one. Runner scoots out of bounds after gaining decent yards.
What a great job to be able to establish.
Well, this one, defied everyone's expectations except